Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying on all of the new Pat McGrath Liquilust Legendary Wear Matte Lipsticks. These are liquid lipsticks and they are all new with the exception of two that are still technically new because they were recently released with the last Divine Rose 2 collection or whatever it was. And I thought about just picking up the ones that I wanted because I already had two of them. But this whole collection is $200 or they retail for $30 a piece. And I was like, let's do the math here. I just go ahead and get the entire collection. Plus on top of it already being discounted from $240 to $200 for the entire set, I also got 10% off. So it was only $180, which makes them $22.50 each. So I'm not mad at it, and I like the shades that I already have, which are Divine Rose and Divine Nude. Beautiful shades, and I will be swatching those on my lips today as well. Currently, you can only get the entire set on Pat McGrath's website, at least as of me filming this video. On Sephora, you can get the Divine Rose as well as Divine Nude from the past collection, but these have not hit Sephora as of yet, and I'm not sure if they will or if they're going to remain just on the Pat McGrath website. Now, you do not have to get this entire set. There are other deals along with, again, you can get them each for $30. You can pick and choose. You can get the everything set for $200, but then they also have the Liquilust Trio for $75 or the Duo for $50. Then you can also get one liquid lipstick and a liner for $48. So all those options are available to you on the Pat McGrath website. Let me pull all the shades out for you. I was kind of glad that it came in one box instead of several different boxes, like 8 different boxes. I was like, oh, this makes it so much easier. Here's what the component looks like. It's black, but then it has a clear part where you can see the color, which I really like because it's just so helpful so you know which colors you are grabbing. The shades include Divine Nude, described as a lush nude beige, Divine Rose, soft plum rose, Nude Cabaret, Soft Beige Peach, Spellbound, Muted Sienna Rose, Wild Orchid, Mid-Tone Berry Pink, Pink Desire, Vivid Warm Pink, Elson 4, Elsons, they always crack me up, Vivid Blue, Red, and then Flesh 3, Deep Bronzed Rose. Flesh 3 is what I am currently wearing. Now, in case you don't know anything about these, I'm going to quickly tell you guys the claims. I'm not going to read out the whole thing, you know, the whole spill that she gives as a description for these. While I do find it entertaining, it's pretty long. But I'm just going to go ahead and read the claims, and then we will get into the lip swatches. They claim to be weightless with a creamy feel, non-drying, up to 12-hour wear, smudge and transfer proof, ultra glide formula, stretch effect, intense saturation, soft matte finish, and a velvety texture. Now let's go ahead and get into the lip swatches. I have to admit that I'm not a huge liquid lipstick lover. There's a few formulas that I like, but overall, it's not something that I get excited about. I remember purchasing the two Divine Rose and then Divine Nude just because it was part of the collection and I wanted to show you guys. And initially I put them on and I was like, you know, yeah, I'll probably be able to wear them for like 2 hours, but they are far more comfortable than I thought they would be. And they are transfer proof. They wear really, really well. And I have found that if I wear a primer underneath them, they're even more comfortable. My favorite one to wear is the Linda Hallberg Ultimate Lips. This is amazing. And then I really like the MAC one as well. Both of them work well. This one I find to just kind of dry down to that finish that you need a little quicker than the MAC one. But if you use the MAC one, it works well too. Just make sure you give it time to set up before putting the liquid lipstick on top. I found this formula to be overall pretty comfortable. They're not so comfortable like something like Lunar Beauty, but they're not as drying as something like Anastasia Beverly Hills. I actually can wear these and enjoy them. And when you're wearing a mask, this is not something you have to worry about getting all over your face. So truly, I am impressed with these. I like the formula. I like the applicator as well. I don't find myself having to use a liner or anything like that. It has the perfect little angle to it to apply to the lips. And then I like the tip on it. It has the perfect point. It's just really, really easy to apply. They have great pigmentation. I love all of these colors. I thought that there was going to be at least one or two that I wasn't going to really enjoy, but I like all of these colors. But I do have my favorites, and I underlined them on the back of the box so that I could just tell you. From the two that were released first, I really love Divine Nude and then Spellbound. Oh my gosh, Spellbound is so pretty. It has this warm tone to it that I think is gorgeous. If I had not just put on 8 liquid lipsticks, that is what I would have worn with this outfit, but I really like this one with it as well. And then Wild Orchid and Pink Desire. Those, bold lip, gorgeous. I love them, and I really love the red, and I mean, I love them all. I love them all. I think they are all gorgeous. So if you're a fan of liquid lipsticks, these are definitely one of the better formulas. And again, I like all of the colors. You guys let me know which one was your favorite. Are you picking any of these up? And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.